horizontal pod autoscaler is part of Kubernetes, but how does it work? Say this is our pod, and every pod has to process requests. So as the requests come in, it'll take a little while to process each request. So here's our requests, and we're processing the requests, but it takes some time before all the workload's drained. We tell the horizontal pod autoscaler that at a certain point, let's say here, CPU or memory, whatever it is, we want you to scale up. And so we actually tell the HPA, go ahead and scale my workload. As soon as I get to that point, create another one. And then it can load balance, you get new workloads. But what happens if we can't load balance fast enough? When it fills up, the out of memory controller inside of Linux comes in and takes care of it for us. What you have to do is you have to make sure that you set your level appropriately so that you can scale up as fast as your requests are coming in. I hope that's clear.